Hello from Sokal Appliance Repair, commercial appliance usually in air conditioning. So here you can see we repaired this thing. I came here and I clearly see by the pressure it's minus 7 by 80 almost. So you clearly see freon is low. And we need to find the leak. Where is the leaking here? Thank you for watching. So here we're gonna do leak test. Okay, thank you for watching.